Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can resize an image on Android. So in the beginning, let's launch the Play Store, search section, and look for the Photo Resizer app. So the easiest way to do that for you is to simply open the App Store search, look for the Photo Resizer application, and download and install whatever app catches your attention, or well, whatever app you find the most trustworthy. For example, this one, but does not necessarily have to be the photo and picture Resizer app in particular. Now let's select the photo that we would like to resize, like this one, this screenshot for example. We'll select it, open it. Now tap on the resize. Here you can go for the easy resize, so small, medium, large. As you can see, not only the size of the or dimensions of the photo will be changed, but also the file size. So you can compress the image this way as well. You can also target certain file size here, if that's what you're after. Tailor the photo to preferred social media format, marketplaces. Adjust the dimensions in printing terms or through the printing formats, and so on. So let's say I'll resize it to this size, and we'll see what result we end up with. Yep, so we didn't change much really, since I've downscaled the image, the screenshot, but the aspect ratio remained pretty much the same. But yeah, that's how you generally resize an image on Android. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.